Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to change your location on Snap. If you want to change your location, so you just need an application. So just open your Play Store app and here just go to search bar and now search for fake GPS. Just search for it and then you just have to install this application. Just tap on install and then the application will install on your phone. After installation, you just have to open the app. Just open it and then tap on continue. Just skip this and here you just have to tap on start fake and now just tap on while using the map and then you just have to enable this setting. For this you just have to select more location app, just select it and then it will be selected. Now go back and here just tap on allow. Now just look for fake GPS. Here's that, just tap on it and then enable the setting and now you have successfully started your fake location. Just watch an ad for this. You just have to skip this ad and then skip this again. And now just tap on start fake and after that you have successfully changed your location. After changing this you just have to open your Snapchat app. Just go back and here just open your Snapchat app and now tap on location and here you can see that your location has been successfully changed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.